Everyone. I, Rohit P. Jadhav, along with Mr. Jaideep M. Khade and Mr. Sanket V. Bhosle, participating in COVID-19 Solution Challenge with an innovative idea of protection from COVID-19 virus by providing protective roof, that is protective shield for two-wheelers of delivery people. Now let us understand of this idea. We know that today the entire world is badly affected by this COVID-19 pandemic. Also in India, we are under lockdown from 25th March 2020. In our country, it is very difficult to maintain social distancing due to density of population and unawareness of COVID-19 pandemic. Most of the people are unnecessarily rushing to markets, shops, supermarkets for purchasing of the daily essential products, which will be an open invitation for coronavirus. We know that daily essential needs such as milk, vegetables, fruits, medicines, groceries are on high demand during this pandemic situation. Most of the supermarkets, for example D-Mart, Star Bazaar, Big Bazaar, are offering home delivery of these essential needs. So the only channel to deliver these essential products is with the help of delivery people or delivery boys. As these delivery people are like a lifeline for providing the daily essential needs to the people, especially in cities like Mumbai and Pune. These delivery persons are keeping the people safe at their home by ensuring that the people are not stepping outside their homes for purchasing of the daily essential products. So safety and protection against COVID-19 virus of these delivery persons or delivery boys is most important in this pandemic situation to maintain smooth and uninterrupted supply of daily essential needs to fulfill customer requirements. So it is very important to keep safety of these delivery people and or delivery boys during this COVID-19 pandemic situation. So we have come out with an idea that is providing out a protective roof or protective shield for two-wheelers of delivery people, so that while traveling in dense areas, the delivery people or delivery boys may not be affected with the COVID-19 virus. So this is one of our idea, that is by providing out the protective shield or protective film to the two-wheelers of the delivery peoples. Thank you. Stay home and stay safe.